Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your knowledge base with Confluence, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your knowledge base with Confluence, start by assessing your current content. Identify the existing documentation and resources available in your organization. Evaluate their relevance and accuracy to ensure they meet current needs. Organize your content by creating a clear structure. Define categories and subcategories that reflect your team's workflows. Utilize Confluence's space feature to separate different departments or topics. Create templates for consistency across all pages. Customize templates to suit specific needs, like project documentation or meeting notes. Encourage contributions from team members by setting permissions appropriately. Make it easy for users to add, edit, and comment on content. Implement a systematic review process for maintaining content quality. Assign owners for different sections to ensure accountability. Set a schedule for regular updates. Promote the use of the knowledge base across your organization. Integrate Confluence with other tools your team uses to streamline access. Utilize labels and metadata to improve searchability within your knowledge base. Encourage feedback on articles to continuously improve the content. Analyze usage metrics to see which areas are thriving and which need attention. Create training sessions to educate team members on how to use the knowledge base effectively. Monitor engagement and make adjustments based on user behavior. Continue iterating on your content strategy to keep the knowledge base relevant. By following these steps, you'll successfully scale your knowledge base with Confluence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.